Nestled on the western tip of Switzerland, Geneva is a city that exudes elegance, charm, and serenity. Often referred to as the peace capital, it offers a rare combination of natural beauty, historical significance, and modern sophistication. Bordered by the sparkling waters of Lake Geneva and framed by the snow-capped Alps and the Jura Mountains, the city offers picture-perfect scenery that captivates visitors from all over the world. As you walk along the shores of Lake Geneva, the iconic jet d'eau fountain dominates the view, shooting water high into the sky as a symbol of the city's dynamism and vitality. The lake itself is a haven for leisure, where people sail, stroll along promenades, or simply sit and admire the majestic landscape. The air is fresh, the atmosphere peaceful, and everything around seems to move in perfect harmony with nature. Geneva is a city where tradition and innovation coexist beautifully. The Old Town, or Ville, with its cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and centuries-old buildings, takes you back in time. You can visit this street, Pierre Cathedral, where John Calvin once preached, or explore Maison Tavel, the oldest house in Geneva, now a museum showcasing the city's rich history. Yet, just a short walk away, you'll find sleek buildings, international organizations, luxury shops, and high-end restaurants. Proof of Geneva's global stature and forward-thinking spirit. One of Geneva's most impressive features is its international identity. It is home to the United Nations European headquarters, the World Health Organization, the Red Cross, and dozens of other global institutions. This gives the city a multicultural flavor, with diplomats, professionals, and tourists from all corners of the earth coming together in a place that represents dialogue, cooperation, and peace. The city's green spaces also contribute to its beauty and tranquility. Parc des Bastions, Parc La Grange, and the English Garden offer quiet corners where nature flourishes. In spring and summer, Geneva bursts into color with blooming flowers, shaded walking paths, and lakeside picnics, creating an almost storybook atmosphere. The famous flower clock, a symbol of Swiss precision and artistry, is a must-see attraction nestled within the English Garden. Geneva also thrives on culture and intellect. It boasts world-class museums, such as the Museum of Art and History, the Patek Philippe Museum, and the International Red Cross and Red Crescent Museum. These institutions not only house precious artifacts, but also reflect the city's intellectual depth and humanitarian values. The city's theaters, opera houses, and art galleries further enrich the cultural life, offering everything from classical performances to contemporary art exhibitions. What makes Geneva even more enchanting is the quality of life it offers. The city is clean, safe, and incredibly well-organized. Public transport is efficient, the people are polite, and everything runs smoothly, reflecting the famed Swiss attention to detail. It's a place where nature, urban life, and international culture blend seamlessly, offering a lifestyle that is both calm and cosmopolitan. In every season, Geneva has its own unique charm. In winter, the surrounding mountains offer skiing and snowboarding opportunities just an hour away, while the city sparkles with festive lights and warm cafes. In autumn, golden leaves line the lakeside paths, and in summer, the clear blue waters invite you to swim, sail, or simply soak in the sunshine. Geneva is not just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're admiring the sunrise over Mont Blanc, sipping coffee in a quiet square, or attending a world forum, the city leaves a lasting impression. With its breathtaking scenery, rich history, global outlook, and peaceful soul,